Honorable CEO Nanyang Polytechnic International, Dr. Henry Heng, Honorable Director Programs of the Temasek Foundation, Mr. John Dip. Mr. John Dip is an alumni of UGM. Oh. Yeah. He studied for 4 years S1, Antropologi Budaya.
Tadi separuh orang Indonesia saya.
So you can call him Mas John. Okay, and Honorable Senior Manager, Mr. Chua. Oh, Mr. Chua is not Chua Kin Peng, Mr. Rafael Lee, Senior Executive, and Ms. Alina, yeah, from Temasek Foundation also, and all of the vice principals of Muhammadiyah schools. Here we have 32 vice principals from Muhammadiyah schools. I'd like to express our gratitude and appreciation to the Temasek Foundation, because the Temasek Foundation has been with Muhammadiyah for quite a long time. Yeah, during the COVID, they also cooperated with us. Yeah, and it started a long while ago with Dr. Abdul Mukti, our Secretary General now, when he was joining the leadership program. I also joined the leadership program maybe last year, if I'm not mistaken, when Joanna invited me. So we are not new friends, we are old friends with the Temasek Foundation. And I'd like to express also NYPI, Dr. Judy, yeah, our connecting person here, yeah, has been doing very great. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to share with you also how the impact of this program to us. I think it was very timely, and it was very suitable for us, you know, because this is an integration of science, yeah, STEM, with everyday activities at schools. So it's not an unsafe subject matter. It is something that we integrated with our daily activities. And it become added values, Dr. Judy, yeah, for our schools, Dr. Hank. Added values that we can offer to our students, to the parents of our students, that their children are going to learn something very exciting, something very new, something very useful that can be used to solve everyday problems with think logically, yeah, the mindset of how to use technology not only for fun, for sharing, for fun in social media, but it's more than that. So I think it's very good, very nice. And Dr. Heng, Muhammadiyah initiated education initiative, you know, a while ago in 1912, before the independence of our country. And we are one of the biggest Muslim organizations in Indonesia. We have more than 20,000 educational institutions all over the place. And Yogyakarta is the place where our institution was created, established by Kiai Haji Ahmad Dahlan. I believe Pak Jom understands that Muhammadiyah Center is in Jogja. Besides, we also have one in Jakarta. So an alumni of this program, because this is the third page, yeah, and then they told me how they very happy they were able to integrate what they have learned to everyday activities at schools, and it become very beneficial, very useful, especially to attract students, you know, to learn and study at our schools. Because the schools are private, yeah. We independently fund ourselves. We also have some funding from the government, but mostly we established our schools by members of our organization, not really steered by the center from Yogyakarta. It was grown up from the grassroots, from the awareness of Muhammadiyah, from the roh of Muhammadiyah, people at the grassroots level. It was never planned, steered by the center. Sometimes we receive invitation of opening a school. You know, we don't know what's going on at the grassroots level. So this is really people-based organization, and I think the Temasek and NYPI are making great decisions, initiatives to work with us. So it will give more and more great impact to our society. Thank you so much for the time being. So ladies and gentlemen, the vice principals, please enjoy and learn a lot, and don't hesitate to ask anything during your stay here in Singapore. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.